Hi, this is Alan Smith and we're in Hilliard, Florida. And behind me is a new crossing that's going to be going up. Perfectly good crossings are already here, but they're going to be replacing with these brand new ones here that are laying on the ground, which I think is a waste of taxpayer dollars. But anyway, there's a train coming. We'll see the last time for these old crossings to go down before they go away and these new ones get put up. And over here is another crossing that's laying on the ground waiting to be put up. They are very nice crossings, but it's a shame to see that a perfectly good crossing that's still in operation has to be replaced by another one.